Jai, and we're back with the Topmost Yoga System by His Divine Grace Srila A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada. Page number 99, chapter number 9, The Real Peace Formula. Every living entity is searching after peace. That is the struggle for existence. Everyone, from the aquatics to the highest form of human being, from the ant up to Brahma, the first creature of this universe, is searching for peace. That is the main objective. Lord Chaitanya said that a person who is in full Krishna consciousness is the only peaceful man, because he has no demands. That is the special qualification of a person who is in Krishna consciousness. He is akama. Akama refers to those who have no desire, who are self-sufficient, who have nothing to ask, and who are very peaceful. Who are they? They are the devotees who are situated in Krishna consciousness. All others fall into three classes. One class is bhukti, those who are hankering after material enjoyment and happiness. These people want to eat, drink, be merry, and enjoy. There are different modes of enjoyment according to the body. People are searching after sense enjoyment on this planet, on other planets, here, there, everywhere. Their main object is to gratify the senses. That is called bhukti. The next class is those people who are fatigued or frustrated in sense gratification, and therefore want liberation from this material entanglement. And then there are those who, in search of knowledge, speculate about the absolute truth, what the absolute truth is. Thus, there are some who want sense enjoyment, and others, the salvationists, who are seeking liberation. The salvationists also have some desire, the desire to be free from this material entanglement. Then there are those who are yogis. They are searching after mystic perfection. There are 8 kinds of mystic perfection which grant the ability to become the smallest, to become the heaviest, or to get whatever one desires. Ordinary persons who are after some sense gratification, and those who are salvationists, or those who are after mystic perfection, all have some demand. But what about the devotees? They have no demands, because they simply want to serve Krishna. They are waiting for the order of Krishna, and that is their satisfaction. If Krishna wants the devotees to go to hell, they are prepared to go to hell. And if Krishna says, "You come to me," they are prepared to go. They have no demands. That is the perfectional stage. There's a very nice verse in which a devotee prays, "I shall simply be conscious of you, my dear Lord, Krishna conscious, free from all mental demands." Actually, because we are in material bondage, we have many demands. Some people want sense gratification, those who are a little more elevated want mental satisfaction, and those who are still more refined want to show some magic jugglery of power in this world. They're all in material bondage in different capacities. Therefore, a person who is in Krishna consciousness prays to the Lord, "My dear Lord, when shall I be fully absorbed in your thoughts or your service? Your thoughts are not simply abstract, concocted speculations. It is a practical mode of thought. I shall become peaceful. All mental concoction, I want this, I want that, will be completely eradicated." We're hovering over the mental plane. We have given power of attorney to the mind, and the mind is driving us, come here, go there. One has to stop such nonsense. I shall simply be your eternal servitor, and I shall be very cheerful, for I have my master. All others who are not in Krishna consciousness are guideless. They are their own guides. The person who is Krishna conscious has the supreme guide, Therefore, he has no fear. For example, as long as a child is under the care of his parents, he has no fear. But as soon as he becomes free, he finds many impediments. This is a crude example, but similarly, when one becomes completely free from all mental concoction and engages 100% in Krishna consciousness 24 hours a day, he will be peaceful at once. That is peace. Therefore, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says that those who are Krishna conscious, because they have no demands, are actually peaceful. Those who are after sense enjoyment, salvation, and mystic yogic perfection are always full of anxiety. As long as one is full of anxiety, one should know that he is still under the grip of material nature. And as soon as one is free from all anxiety, one should know that he is liberated. This fearful anxiety exists because we do not know Krishna, the Supreme Lord, the Supreme Controller. Instead, we have other conceptions, and therefore we are always anxious. There are many examples, such as Prahlad Maharaj. He was only 5 years old, a pet child, but because he was a devotee of the Lord, his father became his enemy. This is the way of the world. As soon as one becomes a devotee of the world, As soon as one becomes a devotee of the Lord, he finds so many obstacles. As soon as one becomes a devotee of the Lord, he finds many obstacles. But those obstacles will not hinder one or be impediments on the path. Jai, that's encouraging. We should always be personally prepared to become Krishna conscious. Otherwise, there's only the kingdom of Maya, illusion. Maya will try to defeat us as soon as she sees, oh, he is a living soul getting out of my grip. As soon as one becomes Krishna conscious and fully surrenders unto the Supreme Lord, he has nothing more to fear from this illusion. The Krishna conscious person is the perfectly peaceful person. Everyone wants peace in this world. The peace marchers do not know how to obtain peace, but they want peace. I read a speech of the Archbishop of the Canterbury in which he said, "You want the kingdom of God without God. This is our defect. If you want peace at all, then accept that peace means to understand God." This is stated in the Bhagavad Gita. Unless you're in touch with the Supreme Lord Krishna, you cannot have peace. Therefore, we have a different peace formula. The real peace formula is that one must know that God is the proprietor of all this universe, including the United States of America. He is the proprietor of Russia. He is the proprietor of China. He is the proprietor of India, of everything. But because we claim that we are the proprietors, there is fighting, there is discord, there is disagreement, and how can there be peace? We're going to stop here today. Unfortunately, but it is required. So thank you all for joining us today. And tomorrow we will actually read concluding words on this idea, how to actually achieve real peace. So stay tuned, and thank you so much for tuning into Shravanam Diaries. The book that we are finishing tomorrow is available in the description as the link which will take you to places where you can read, download, or purchase. And we will see you next time. Hare Krishna!